Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to 24/7 Talk English. Let me ask you something very honestly. Do you understand English, but when it's time to speak, your mind becomes blank? Do you feel fear, hesitation, or shyness when English words want to come out? If yes, you are not alone. Millions of people feel the same. Today's lesson is specially for you. In this podcast, you will learn 90 essential daily English sentences. These are real-life sentences, not book English. Simple sentences you can use at home, at work, with friends, and in daily life. My promise to you is very clear. If you listen carefully and practice slowly, your confidence will grow, your fear will become smaller, and English will start to feel easy and friendly. So, relax. Take a deep breath, and let's begin this journey together. Simple daily life sentences. Let's start with very basic, very useful sentences. These are sentences you can use from morning till night. I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I feel fresh after a shower. I make tea or coffee. I have breakfast at home. I get ready for work. I leave the house on time. The weather is nice today. It is very hot today. It is cold outside. When you say these sentences, don't rush. Speak slowly. Feel each word. Talking about feelings and health. English is not only about grammar. English is about expressing how you feel. Here are some simple feeling sentences. I feel happy today. I feel tired right now. I am not feeling well. I need some rest. I feel stressed these days. I am feeling better now. I have a headache. I am feeling hungry. I am feeling sleepy. I feel relaxed after work. Even short sentences can express big feelings.
Polite and common social sentences. Good English speakers are polite speakers. These sentences help you sound respectful and confident. Good morning. How are you? I am fine, thank you. Nice to meet you. Please sit down. Thank you so much. You are welcome. Excuse me, please. I am sorry for that. No problem at all. Have a nice day. Politeness makes your English powerful. Asking questions in daily life. Questions help you connect with people. Let's learn some easy question sentences. What are you doing? Where are you going? What time is it? Can you help me? Is everything okay? What do you mean? How does this work? Can you repeat that, please? What should I do? Is this correct? Don't be afraid to ask questions. Questions show confidence, not weakness.
Work and study sentences. Now let's talk about work and learning. I am working right now. I will do it later. I need more time. I understand this clearly. I don't understand this. I am learning English daily. This is very important. I will try my best. Let me check again. I have completed my work. Clear English helps you grow professionally. Talking about plans and time. Talking about time is very important in English. I am busy today. I am free right now. I will call you later. Let's meet tomorrow. I will be there soon. I am running late. Take your time. I need a few minutes. What's the plan? Let's start now. These sentences make your English sound natural. Shopping and daily needs. Here are some useful sentences for shopping and daily needs. How much is this? It is too expensive. Do you have another color? I am just looking. I like this one. Can you give a discount? I will buy it. That's enough for me. I need something else. Thank you for your help. Simple sentences can handle big situations. Confidence-building daily expressions. These sentences help your mindset. I can do this. I am improving every day. I am not afraid to speak. Mistakes help me learn. I believe in myself. I will keep practicing. I am proud of myself. I am becoming confident. English is getting easier. I will not give up. Say these sentences aloud. They change your thinking. Ending the day sentences. Let's close the day with calm English. I am very tired today. It was a long day. I enjoyed my day. I learned something new today. I will rest now. Tomorrow will be better. I am thankful for today. Time to relax. Good night, everyone. Sweet dreams. Practical motivation. Now listen carefully. You do not need perfect English. You need practice English. Speak every day, even for 5 minutes, even alone. Make mistakes. Mistakes are not your enemy. Fear is the real enemy. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Remember, experience is more important than perfection. My dear friend, you are not weak. You are learning. Your voice matters. Your English matters. Keep practicing with me. Keep growing with 24/7 Talk English. If this podcast helped you even a little, like this video. Share it with someone who needs confidence. Subscribe to 24/7 Talk English, because here we don't judge mistakes, we build confidence. 24/7 Talk English. Speak English, live confidently.